instead of...
It's a 67 Impala. Yeah. That's the back window. A little bit. Roof's not rotted. That's a plus.
Yep. Oh, it's a Texas car.
Did it have the engine? No.
No. No.
It was a 327 car.
Yep, it was a 327 car.
That's crazy. Already sold, but I don't know what that is.
That right there, that's a Volkswagen cut down into a Speedster.
They tried to race it, I guess.
It's Warren.
51 to 68. Ford.
Ford man. Ford man.
Step side.
Yep.
Looks pretty complete, other than the wood and the rails. Yeah. It's got the fifth wheel. Got the tailgate.
Huh?
And it has a tailgate.
Yep. It's got tailgate and everything in it.
That Mustang, what, that PT Cruiser up front?
Yeah, that's up for sale. $500. Need the head, and got the head. The head's $400. Head's all built, ready to go.
Okay. How's the body on it? Because I just whipped in past
really
it.
It's good, except for that left front corner. And Warren's the one that backed into that. Oh, it's an automatic car.
It's automatic.
Two-door rag top.
Yeah. Got two grandkids, so she got two grandkids, so she needs it. That's cool, man. I know it's just yard art, but
well, it's a project that he bought, and he just, you know. How about that Mercury? You passed the Mercury when you were coming in, didn't you? Mm-hmm. 61 Mercury. It needs a home. All the international stuff is pretty much already sold to Lynn at Scout Connection in Iowa. We're still negotiating prices.
Right.
But basically, what he wants is the tin, because you just can't get it anymore.
Yeah, they don't reproduce it.
No, and yeah, nobody, you know, like LMC, all the rest of them. Mm-hmm. Nobody does that with international tin.
Not one company, huh?
Not one company.
This is a cool truck right here.
That's a 75.
4x4? That'd be a cool one, man. Show me your wheelies. I know it's your baby. You're not gonna sell it.
Oh, no. That's just for looking at it.
Yeah.
Like this little guy right here, International Metro, it's all aluminum.
Scrappers would go crazy, wouldn't they? Scrap guys are going crazy right now. All aluminum. That's crazy.
Yeah, but Lynn was like, hell yeah. No motor, no paper.
Yeah.
But he doesn't care about that.
I know this guy that's wanting to do a food truck. He wants something cool, man. He might make you an offer.
It ain't big enough for a food truck.
Food, ice cream, something. I don't know what he want to do.
He'd have Lynn's already told me what he'd give me for it.
Yeah. Okay, well, if it's already sold, I understand. Fire trucks? I guess. I'm friends with Archie, the head of the fire department in Alvarado. This thing's really cool, man. Got that big old bumper on the back.
What?
It's got a big old bumper on the back.
He's got a safari rack on it. My younger brother liked that.
Yeah.
I'd stand on the bumper. He would drive.
4x4 too. I guess I'm gonna go around this way. No Charger, huh?
Nope, I got a Buick.
These little trucks are kind of popular.
Yep, I ain't got that.
The Chevy Love or?
No, that's like
No? Okay.
or a Mazda, whichever way you want it. Depends on which price on it.
Yeah, it's a Mazda. It's a cool little truck. Really?
Yep, it had 1,800 cc in it.
Lots of memories, huh?
Lots of money. Got a Nova, you got a Brome.
Yeah.
Some pheromones, Jennifer.
What does that machine do?
Yes.
I have no idea.
Look at it real hard. Look at it real hard. Cause nobody that's ever been down
Laying brick?
Nope.
Brick road? No?
Nope. Nobody that's ever looked has ever got it right.
I don't know.
It's a fucking grave digger.
Wow, okay.
It's a 37 horse Wisconsin. Hydraulics. That big chain goes around. That's 3 foot wide. Goes into the ground, 6 feet down. See the chain on the bottom? Travels forward 8 foot. Cuts a perfectly rectangular hole in the ground.
That's the craziest thing I've ever seen.
And then this belt comes out here, and you can put it. You need to put the dirt into a trailer, or just spread it beside the grave.
Huh. I have never in my life. Is that somebody's fancy invention, or is that actually produced by a company and they made a bunch of?
Company down in Far, Texas.
Huh.
Yep. That's just another pickup of the truck.
I guess that makes it easy. Dig the grave.
Yeah, but let me tell you what. Grave digging business is the hardest motherfucking thing to get into in the world. You know what they get for digging that fucking hole?
What?
$950.
Ooh. And people die daily.
Yep.
And
And the guys that got the contracts, they're gonna hand it down to their kids, or they're gonna sell it to somebody, or
right.
And you ain't getting into that fucking business. I don't care how good the machine was.
One of our daughters actually works for a mortician out of college right now.
Yeah, but they're not the guys.
Yeah, she ain't digging graves. She goes and picks the bodies up and stuff. And
yeah.
So we've always thought she was a little weird, but you know.
Somebody's got to do it.
Somebody's got to do it.
Got that man full of old pickups. A bunch of old trucks.
A lot of semis.
Like this old brown one, it runs and drives. So does the black and red one up in front.
Yeah, I'm sure you could put that on Marketplace or whatever. And
Oh, no.
Somebody
they're
buy
they're
it.
staying here.
Yeah. So if you wanted to sell, if it runs, somebody'd buy it out there. Construction companies.
No, they're not.
Yeah, I know. What's this little thing with the front?
It's a Honda 600.
What year is that?
64. There's a motor goes in it. It's a motorcycle engine. See? 2-cylinder, 600 cc's.
Says it's a coupe. It says it's a coupe.
Yep.
You got this carbon fiber.
Yeah, he built carbon fiber good. He gets projects and
Chuck's Auto Sales. It's a pretty cool Honda.
There's a yellow one out in the front yard.
Is there?
Yep.
A little bit better condition. It looks like he's got some aftermarket parts.
No,
He was gonna.
That's some other stuff.
Oh, okay. It'd be cool to turn into one of them rice burners, a Euro car.
A what?
A Euro car, them rice burners. Fast and Furious.
I guess.
Right. All done up, and
I don't watch all that.
the kids do that, you know.
Yeah.
That's your baby.
That's gonna be our parade car.
And then the Nova, you said?
No, that's a 84 Fox body.
Oh, the Mustang. Okay. More vans.
Yep. trucks.
And trucks.
Diesel. Stuff.
This is a cool truck right here.
70 model International 1300. Four-wheel drive. With 488 gears in it.
That is cool. You'd have to do a full resto on it, but man, it'd be cool.
Well, yeah, if you look. Look at the rocker tails. It's a Texas truck.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's still solid.
Yeah, the tune's all solid.
Yeah.
It's probably going to go to Lynn.
Mm-hmm.
I'll keep the bed. He said, I don't want any of the flatbed straight. He said, look, those fucking things are a dime.
The guys nowadays are throwing Cummins diesels in those and different things like that. They're putting the new...
Yeah, but depends on what you're doing.
Yeah.
Of course, Lynn sells a lot of the bigger stuff, too. Like the race cars and all that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna check out the Mustang. Cool Jeep mail truck. And the Mustang. Oh, I know. Attack dogs.
Got a 3208. No, 3406B Caterpillar in that one right there.
Really?
It needs an engine. And got the air-to-air on it. Here's the other two keys here.
Still got an engine in it. This would be more just like a parts car though, right?
Well, what he was doing, he was making a boat tail Ford or some shit like that out of it. With a Miata top. And
I guess. This is 62 Mercury?
Yep, that is.
That's cool. They didn't bust the glass out of this one, so you got lucky.
They didn't get up this far.
They didn't get up this far. And what is this exactly?
17.
A 17?
Yep. And it runs and drives.
You don't really see these a lot, so. They should. Got a pickup box. Still got the wood wheels.
Yep, American flag. I put the American flag, POW flag, Army flag, Marine Corps flag, and Navy flag off the back.
That'd be really cool.
I was like,
Parade car.
yeah, the motherfucker's only got one door on it. Guess what? That's all I ever put on them.
Yeah.
That's the head for my sawmill.
Because, well, yeah, I guess if it's solid over there.
Do what?
It's solid on the other side?
Yeah.
That's for the lady.
Huh?
That's for the lady. So she ain't got to kick the legs up. It's for the ladies.
Ford didn't put 2 doors on a fucking T.
Yeah.
I didn't fucking know that.
I didn't know that either.
The only ones that they put 2 doors on were the truck T's. And all they were is just a bigger chassis. Same fucking body.
Yeah.
I got a friend that's got a 26 T truck. It's got big tires on it. Mm-hmm. And it's long, solid tires and all.
You know Popsicle Pete and King?
Hell yes.
Yeah, I go help him a lot at his shop, working on stuff. You know, Artie and Vaughn and Alvarado.
But if I could ever talk about that goddamn Cobra body.
He's got one of these. It's a 16 or 17 mint condition. They fully restored it already. It's red with all the brass, and I mean, it's beautiful.
Yep. Look, hood's laying around here somewhere.
Yeah, you know, hood, truck box. You even got a dune buggy. Watch out.
Yep.
Kids probably want that going right now.
No?
No, grandkids at least.
No, it needs a home.
Oh, needs a home.
You can put that one up there.
Okay, so
Got 7.5 out of it.
700.
And I got an extra engine. You know anything about Volkswagen?
Somewhat, a little bit.
This one has got, this is what controls the spring action in the back, this flat spring. Laying up there on the rock pile is a later model transaxle go in this. And you'd have the whole thing for $750.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
No title.
No title. You can get titles. I do bonded titles all the time.
They're a pain in the ass.
They are. It used to be easier during Corona.
Yep. But they are a pain in the ass.
Yeah, but for $750, I mean, that's what people would want for a frame, probably.
Oh yeah, and I got an extra engine with it too. With headers and zoom pipes and all that other good shit.
Okay.
And like I said, I'll load it. I just pick it up from the front end with a strap up here, and I just pick it up.
And just pick it up. Okay.
That's what the guy fucked me out of for $750.
Oh, okay.
I fronted him money. That's why I want $750 for it.
Right, you live and you learn.
Yep.
Well, let me ask my kids if they're interested in it. $289. What's the best way to get to it?
You
This
remember
one
Ronnie Cox?
sounds familiar.
Used to have the machine shop up there next to Jeff England's place.
Okay.
Ronnie and Popsicle Pete were good friends. Ronnie
Okay.
built that engine.
Okay. I'm gonna go check it out. You wanna come with me or? Oh, okay. Too many briars, you said. Right? If I get snake bit, I'm trespassing. Okay. So, we may have found something here. Check out this El Rancho. Fender's a little beat up here in the front. Let's in the grill. I thought I got back here and seen all this. The Ranchero. He's got another side for it. And a fender. And the grill. But then again, how do you get it out? That's probably the best car here. Just saying.
One wagon.
The Bronco.
Yep.
It's a cool Jeep too.
Yep. I'm right in the process of getting a bonded title on that motherfucker.
It'll happen in about 6 months. So this is my 77.
You do realize a 454 will fit in that hole.
Yeah.
And if you go back to 74 when the hood was smaller, you can get it in that hole too.
I had a 75 with the 454 in it. I never had it running. I ended up selling it, but
When I had my shop in Fort Worth there on